Here's a stunning 1955 Buick Special, one of the most original you'll ever come across. Priced at $18,000, this classic beauty has had a few updates but remains mostly original. With its gorgeous green and white exterior and matching interior, this vehicle is a true piece of automotive history. Located in Panama City Beach, Florida, this Buick Special has only 44,600 miles and is powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission. It's been partially restored, with the engine and transmission both rebuilt, ensuring it's in running condition. The car has always been garaged and pampered, spending most of its life in New Mexico, which means there's no rust. Its exterior condition is excellent, and the cloth seats still look fantastic. This Buick Special is a perfect choice for vintage car enthusiasts or collectors looking for a well-preserved classic. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive history. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details and additional photos. Introducing this stunning 1955 Dodge Royal Lancer, a true classic with an automatic transmission and a powerful original 270 Hemi V8 engine. With just 79,924 miles on the odometer, this two-door pillarless hardtop remains in excellent running condition, having been carefully garaged throughout its ownership. The striking blue and white exterior, matched with a beautiful blue and white interior, ensures this car turns heads wherever it goes. Rear-wheel drive offers that vintage driving experience you won't find in modern cars. With a clear title and good exterior condition, this Royal Lancer is ready to hit the road and steal the spotlight. Priced at $19,500, it's a great opportunity for any collector or classic car enthusiast. Whether you're looking for a solid investment or a car to restore, this Dodge offers both timeless beauty and a chance to own a piece of automotive history. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. Here we have a classic 1955 Hudson Hornet Custom, with a price tag of $12,900 or best offer, located in Cali Mesa, California. This car is believed to have 53,000 original miles, based on the service history from a well-known center in Grants Pass, Oregon. It's powered by a 308 CI flathead six-cylinder engine, paired with an automatic transmission and twin H-Power carbs, which are original to the car. The exterior is finished in a beautiful blue, complemented by a white interior. The car has been partially restored, including a repaint in the 90s, and it comes with vintage touches like a classic radio, CD player, and cold AC. Notably, the AC was replaced with a vintage version, equipped with an electric fan and an aluminum radiator. Other recent updates include a new battery and newer white wall tires. All the rims, hubcaps, glass, and chrome trim are original, keeping the vintage feel intact. The car has recently undergone an oil change and coolant flush, making it run and drive excellently. It's a clean California title car, perfect for collectors or those interested in a vintage restoration project. If you're a fan of rare classic cars, this is an opportunity you won't want to miss. Check out the link in the description for more details and photos of this 1955 Hudson Hornet Custom. This 1955 Lincoln Capri, a true classic, captures the essence of mid-20th century American luxury. With its striking yellow and black exterior, complemented by a matching interior, this beauty will turn heads wherever you go. Boasting just 54,512 miles on the odometer, this car is a testament to timeless craftsmanship. Equipped with power seats, power windows, power brakes, and power steering, this Lincoln delivers both comfort and performance. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth ride, while the electric antenna and radio are in need of attention. Despite these minor issues, everything else is in working order, making it a solid option for anyone looking to own a piece of automotive history. At $18,000 or best offer, this is a rare. Visit the link in the description for more information and pictures, and don't miss out on this incredible deal. Here's a stunning 1956 Chrysler Windsor that captures the elegance and innovation of mid-50s American automotive design. Finished in a beautiful pearl exterior with a cream and blue interior, this Windsor blends classic luxury with tasteful customization. Under the hood sits a powerful 413 cubic inch V8 wedge engine paired with a smooth 727 automatic transmission. Both replacements in excellent running condition. This Chrysler also features a custom front end and disc brakes, adding a modern touch to its vintage charm. The odometer reads 0, reflecting its refreshed mechanical life. And the title is clear, ready for transfer. Whether you're a collector looking for a unique addition, or someone seeking a solid platform for weekend cruises and shows, this Windsor offers incredible value at $19,500. Check out the links in the description for more photos, details, and a closer look at this beautiful classic ride. Check out this 1956 Dodge Royal sedan, listed for $16,000 in Valley Center, California. This vintage beauty comes with a push-button automatic transmission, electronic ignition, and an electric fuel pump. The original engine is running smoothly, with 82,476 miles on the odometer. The exterior boasts a striking blue, white, and black color scheme, while the interior features a comfortable gray vinyl seat material. The car is in excellent condition with no rust. Here we have a classic 1957 Dodge Coronet, offered for $14,995 or best offer, located in High Point, North Carolina. This vintage beauty features a black exterior and a stylish black and beige interior with vinyl seats. The car boasts a flat-six engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. It's in good condition, with a solid frame, no rust, and no dents, making it a fantastic candidate for restoration or a collector's piece. The engine is original and running smoothly, and a recent tune-up ensures it performs well on the road. It also comes with new parts, including a new paint job, upholstery, brake master cylinder, fuel pump, water pump, and battery. The original Dodge radio is included, though untested, and the lights, turn signals, and horn are all functioning. For those interested in owning a piece of automotive history, this 1957 Dodge Coronet offers a fantastic opportunity. Be sure to check the link in the description for more details and photos. Check out this classic 1957 Ford Custom 300, a true vintage gem priced at just $10,000 and located in Woodland, California. This beautiful car features a blue and white exterior that commands attention and an equally appealing blue and white interior. Powered by a reliable V8 engine, it boasts only 17,600 miles on the odometer, and the engine is in running condition. Though it does have a minor issue with a fine crack in the block that can be easily repaired. The vehicle's automatic transmission shifts smoothly, And recent upgrades include new disc brakes and booster to improve stopping power. With a clear title and a documented history, this Ford Custom 300 is not only a collector's dream, but also a runner that is ready for local drives. Ideal for restoration enthusiasts, this all-steel body is in good condition, but will benefit from some sanding and paint work. Don't miss your chance to own this piece of automotive history. Check out the links in the description for more information and photos. Up for sale is a classic 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air, a true gem for vintage car enthusiasts and restoration lovers. This two-door hardtop model is powered by the original 265 engine, still boasting its factory green exterior color. The car has been in storage since 1972 and has been carefully kept in a garage for over 50 years, making it an incredible find for anyone looking to restore a piece of automotive history. The odometer reads 0, indicating it hasn't been driven in years. While the car does have some rust and will need a total restoration, its rarity and original features make it a perfect project car for those with a passion for vintage vehicles. This 1955 Chevy Bel Air could be the centerpiece of your collection or a fantastic restoration project to bring back to life. The price is $15,000 or best offer, located in Jamestown, North Dakota. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of classic American automotive history. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details and photos. Here's a classic beauty with a story to tell, a 1957 Chevrolet station wagon waiting for someone with a passion for restoration. Priced at just $7,300, this rolling shell is a rust-free project that could be transformed into a head-turning cruiser. Located in Rio Rancho, New Mexico, this car comes with clear title status and a solid foundation for anyone looking to dive into a project. It's an automatic transmission with an unknown odometer reading. But don't let that deter you. The seller, unfortunately, can no longer invest the time or money into it due to personal health struggles. But this car is ready for a new owner to bring it back to life. Included in the sale are driver-quality bumpers and exterior trim pieces, so you're not starting from scratch. It's the perfect candidate for a custom build or a meticulous restoration. If you're looking for a rewarding project that can turn heads when completed, this '57 Chevy is an investment in both time and passion. See the link in the description for more details and pictures.